So I'm on my way to DFW Tire Outlet right now. I've heard nothing but great things about them, great reviews online, great customer service. So I'm gonna go check them out and hopefully drive away on a new set of Cooper STT Pros. And if you're running that STT Pro, comment down below. Let me know what I should probably expect, you know, when they're new, halfway through their life, as they start to wear really bad. I'd just love to know what you guys are experiencing with them, or maybe what I could expect. Alright guys, just pulled into DFW Tire Outlet. Jeep's already in the shop. We're gonna start taking off the tires and get some STT Pros on here. These are the KO2s, they're coming off. They've done really well, but like I said earlier, I just want to try something new, see if I get a better experience or a different experience, or just be able to have something to compare to. So instead of just going up to a 35-inch KO2, I'm going over to the Cooper STT Pro in a 35. So what do you guys think? I think I'm definitely gonna have to cut and modify the rock slider. The clearance just between that pinch seam and the slider is real tight. So at full flex, it's definitely gonna touch. And I think it looks great. I think the stance is way better. I re-geared the Jeep back in October to 456. So I've been running 33s on 456 gears now for a little while, because I was future-proofing for 35s. Just immediately, acceleration, it feels right. Like, it feels like it's right in the zone that it needed to be. It was actually better to get off those 33s finally and get on some 35s, and I think the Jeep is where it wanted to be for the last, since October. So I'm excited to get these things off pavement to see if I can really feel the difference between the KO2 and these STTs. And then I'll report back later, guys. All right, guys, that's all I've got for you today. I'm pleased with my initial impressions on these STT Pros. Obviously, I haven't taken them much further than the freeway, but just on initial feel and with the gearing that I had done back in October, it feels like a 35-inch tire is where I just needed to be anyways. So again, if you enjoyed what we're doing, please just like, subscribe, share. The whole thing would just really help us out, and we really appreciate it. Thanks again for supporting us, and I'll talk to you again soon.